Good morning, everybody. We're on the way to the airport now. And it sucks. I'm gonna miss Ireland. Miss being in this little pod. Miss waking up to the nice views.
Goodbye, Laurel Pod. It was nice.
Yeah.
Very fun staying here.
Yeah.
And we'll probably be back one day. Maybe.
Soon.
One day.
Soon. We made it to the airport. Our car situation was pretty easy to do. Just have to park at the terminal and slot the keys in. And I probably got corn chips all in my teeth.
Probably the most budget airline we've been on. This is our entertainment. I'm taking Sarah on an aeroplane day.
No, he's not, because he complained about the price of the food.
How's the lasagna?
Yours
Not
is
bad.
better. We've arrived in Athens, guys. So we have to take one more flight to get to Santorini. It's pretty warm here compared to Ireland. Pretty warm. Now I can wear my dresses and my sandals. Yay!
Sarah in airport mode. One speed, full blast. Yeah. Yeah.
We had no drugs in there. They came through. Don't tell anybody. We've got our bags, guys. We've got our bags. Okay, back to the chicken.
Lunchtime at Athens Airport. Sarah went for the classic double cheeseburger. I got the chicken Caesar baguette and a ham and cheese pie. So far so good. We're not very happy with Ryanair.
Why give a weight when that doesn't matter? They should say a bag that can fit underneath the seat to give someone an idea of what they're talking about, rather than measurements, because who is going to take a measuring read and be like, oh, my bag is this big?
Ryanair. Give me your Ryanair face. What'd you lose? Why did you lose your passport?
What after you dropped on the floor? Because I swapped seats.
But you down.
I didn't find it. The lady that I was sitting next to found.
Sarah, just relax.
She's pulling out my passport.
Welcome to Santorini.
Bus is taking forever to come. So annoying. They say it comes every like 5 minutes, but it's been like 40 minutes. How much?
25.
Well, that's worse than the shuttle bus. might as well go with the shuttle bus. Bus has finally arrived. Put it in. How much? 180. It's €1.80 each, and the shuttle bus would have costed us €10 each, and the taxi man would have costed us €25 for the both of us.
We walked for 23 long minutes. We got here eventually. There's a lot of stairs. There's a lot of like big rocks on the pavement, and your suitcase is just like.
Anyway, we might rent a quad tomorrow, but for now we're going to show you our room and do a little room tour. So we open the door, that's our entrance, our nice cute Santorini blue door. And then we come into our little tea and coffee station over here. This is our fridge. We got a few drinks. We don't drink alcohol. So
we don't drink alcohol, but this minibar is complimentary, which is like a first for us.
Yeah. Our lounge area, we've got a cute little couch and a nice window with the view. This is our bathroom. It's very sturdy, it's very Greek, and I love it. So come inside, come on in, come on in, come. I put this here so that I remember not to drink the tap water, because you can't drink tap water in Greece. I don't know about other places in Greece, but Santorini, you can't. Our cute Santorini door. This is our shower. Very cool. And I've got a little window.
Shower with a window to the outdoors.
Shower with a view. And this is our second room, which I didn't know that we even had, but we have a second room. Looks like a couch, but it is a bed, isn't it?
That's where we dumped all our gear to get it out the way of the video.
Yep. What the heck? It's broken.
Going on.
Oh, no, it's not. It's like that. What? And this is our bedroom. We've got a little table and chairs over here as well. This is our bedroom. We've got some storage space, a hairdryer, some hangers. And we've also got an aircon.
What's in this one?
During the day. Oh, that's my job.
You can't reach this one.
No one cares.
That one's empty. Don't worry about that one.
No one cares. Okay. And our favourite part. The balcony. Oh, the balcony. Come on out. Look at the stunning view of Santorini. Firo Stefani.
There's a cruise ship out on the Caldera, if that's what you call it. There was two, but one already took off. Even the beds in Greece are made of like stone. Like that's just stone or concrete or something.
And this is our bed. After a full day of travelling, all we want to do is shower, eat a kebab, and go to sleep. That was a hint to David.
Why are you whispering?
Because people are sleeping.
No, they're not.
Oh. We're going for dinner somewhere, hoping to find good kebabs.
Sure, it shouldn't be too hard.
I don't know how I can do 3 days of this.
It's tempting. Very tempting.
Okay, so Cara and Nate recommended we try Slovakis.
Lucky's Souvlakis.
Lucky's Slovakis.
Souvlakis.
Whatever. Okay, so we'll try it and let you guys know what it tastes like.
So I got the chicken.
And I got the lamb.
Delicious.
And we got some chips as well. And it looks pretty good, so we're gonna try it.
Oh, it's got chips in it.
Yeah, I know. Hopefully I don't spend my time. Soft. Very The ram is really good.
Think on my fish. You should get one of these, and I should get one of those. Yeah.
Highly recommend.
It was so good I had to get round 2.
It was something in the air.
Found this cute little dessert restaurant.
So do selfies.
Restaurant for dessert.
Yeah. The guy asked what David's nationality was. And he said he's from Australia, and he was like, but like, you know, what are you? And I was like, oh, he's got some Greek in him. And then he said, and where are you from? And I was like, oh, I'm originally, and before I could even continue, he's like, Latina. And I was like, no, South African. So, anyway.
This is what we got.
It's got strawberries in it, banana, and chocolate. Guys, this is going to be a bit crazy.
Get the hair out the way. Fresh, delicious. Now for the journey home. All the way back up the hill. Hopefully work some of this ice cream off.
European countries, please sort your smoking laws out, because it's a problem. My body just cannot handle even slight smoke. Like, I start coughing, I start getting an itchy chest. I can't eat and enjoy myself when there's constant smoke being blown in my face. So that's the only like bad review I have. But it's not just Greece, it's Ireland, it's London.
Yeah. Not necessarily that we're close to it, it's just it's in the air.
It's in the air and I just start coughing.
They have no laws around where you can smoke or anything like that.
Yeah.
It's just like a free for all.
Other than that, we had a great night.
Great night.
And we're very happy with our apartment.